Priya, it's been ages since we last met. How have you been?
Oh, Maya. I've been good, just keeping busy with work and family. How about you?
Same here, Priya. Life in the village is peaceful as always, but there's always something to do around the house.
I can imagine. Speaking of which, how's your family doing?
They're doing well, thanks for asking. Dad's been busy with the farm, and Mom's been her usual energetic self, keeping everything in order.
That's great to hear. Your parents have always been hardworking and inspiring.
Definitely. They've taught me so much about resilience and perseverance. Oh, and guess what? My younger brother finally got admission to the college he wanted.
Wow, that's wonderful news. I remember how hard he worked for it. He must be over the moon.
Absolutely. He's been beaming with excitement ever since he got the acceptance letter. It's a proud moment for the whole family.
I can imagine. Education is so important, especially for the youth in our village. It opens up so many opportunities for them.
Exactly. We're all rooting for him to excel in his studies and make the most of this opportunity. Oh, and speaking of studies, how's your niece doing in school?
She's doing well, thanks for asking. She's a bright kid, always eager to learn new things. And with the support of her parents and teachers, I'm sure she'll go far.
That's wonderful to hear, Priya. It's heartening to see the younger generation thriving and making progress.
Indeed, Maya. They are the future of our village, and it's our responsibility to nurture and guide them along the way.
Absolutely. We must do everything we can to create a supportive environment where they can grow and flourish.
Well said, Maya. It's always refreshing to have these meaningful conversations with you.
Likewise, Priya. It's moments like these that make me appreciate the simple joys of life in our village.
Cheers to that, Maya. Here's to friendship, community, and the beauty of village life.